So I think the Nordic market is at the intersect of Europe and the US somehow. So I think we're seeing spillover volumes from the US coming to this part of the world, and I think the Nordic region is here to welcome it. I think we have available energy. We have competences and capabilities that we've built over some time. We're having the right connectivity to play to both the inference and the training type of setups. And I think we are, generally safe places to make long-term investments. So all of these are coming together now and making the Nordics, pretty good place for the AI loads. I think sustainability has always been a part of the Nordic play into this game, and it's obviously around the renewable energy sources. And here in Norway, we have close to 100% renewable energy from the hydropower. So that is definitely an element, but I think also it's more than just the sustainability play. I think we are competing on all the main value propositions of succeeding with AI plus sustainability. I'd love to see the Nordic market becoming a real hub in this global industry. So I don't only want to see ourselves as operators succeeding, but I also want to see the entire supply chain succeeding on Nordic soil. So we're really trying to attract, the big international players to bring competence, to bring their assets and their capabilities to this region, as we want to see, the local entrepreneurs and the local companies take a step into this value chain and become part of it as well. And I think if we succeed with that industry build, that's when we've truly made, let's say, a sustainable business for all of us. So I think at Bulk, we're quite pleased with the development now. We have had a founder, Peder Narbe, who had the vision to think big way before everyone thought big. So we have a portfolio of amazingly scalable sites which come into play now. I think our main challenge is really to bring that supply chain to work so that we can go faster and bigger than ever before. So our ambition is to build and commission 50 megawatt of AI loads every quarter going forward. And that's a massive undertaking, which takes much more than ourselves. We have to bring the entire business together. I think, AI as such, we are pretty much an AI player, right? We do have a colo business and we serve our enterprise customers well in that regard. But for the growth going forward, it's, predominantly AI. We've already deployed, the latest NVIDIA technology at scale. We have the direct-to-chip liquid cooling going for us. It's not easy, but at least we have that first tricky, 40 megawatt data center under control, and we're just doing more and more of that. So we are now building our own reference design, very much with a modular prefabricated logic to enable fast build out, and it's all about AI loads and the latest GPU technologies. Yes, I think sustainability for us is a number of things, right? It's where you locate, I think, is the most important. Like in all, let's say, real estate businesses, location, location, location. You have to be close to renewable power, but at the same time close to the markets with the latencies to handle also inference later on. But once you have the right location, you need to have, the energy efficient setup, right? You have to make use of the energy and the cold external environment to really make those PUEs and other efficiency metrics be the best ones. And then I think the third and most difficult one is that from a sustainability point of view, you need to be part of an ecosystem. And I think most particularly you need to think about how to make industrial use of the heat, and you need to think sort of circular economies around your data centers. I think for me, the strategy is to go as fast as possible. When you're in this fantastic landscape of growth opportunities, strong demand, it's really how can we maximize speed on our journey, but still maintain the quality, right? Quality in customer relationship, quality in the buildings and data center we're setting up, and quality in the operation. So it's finding that balance of super fast, but also, you know, the right quality. That's our biggest challenge. I think we are a very extrovert company in bulk, so we have to be out there. I think that's part of being an industry builder. You cannot just focus inwards on doing your things right. You have to help and challenge and support and inspire many other ecosystem players. That's the way you build an industry, and building an industry, that's going to be our success as well. I think CCT Nordics is a great place to meet with the community, especially I think the connectivity community, but also we're at the intersect of data centers. And obviously it's our home turf, so we love for CCT Nordics to come here. We've been part of the global event at Dublin, and I love the quality of that event, bringing thought leaders from the right industries together. And hopefully we can achieve some of the same here in the Nordics.